Yes, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB Past Questions Physics 2018 question number 9. A narrow beam of white light can be split up into different colors by a glass prism. The correct explanation is that A. White light is an electromagnetic wave. B. The prism has all the colors of the white light. C. Different colors of white light travel with different speeds in glass. D. White light has undergone total internal reflection in the prism. So what is the answer to this problem? Now, for you to understand it, you need to understand some technical terms or phenomenon in white light. And here we're talking about dispersion of white light. What is dispersion of white light? We need to know what dispersion is. For us to understand this, we need to know what refraction, diffraction, internal reflection, all those things. So, but the phenomena that goes with this very particular case is what we call dispersion. So we say that a narrow beam of light. What happens to a narrow beam of white light? Can you tell me what does happen? It can actually be split up. A narrow beam of white light can be split up into different colors. You can do that, and that follows from what we have up here by a glass prism. So if you want to split up a narrow beam of white light, you use what we call glass prism. So why does this happen? This is because, and this will give us the answer to what we are asking, why does a narrow beam of white light split up when passed through a glass prism? It is because different colors of white light, that means in white light there are actually different colors inside this. Different colors of white light travel. These different colors of white light, they move. You will not see them until you pass the white light through a glass prism. They are actually different. There are actually different colors inside the white light, and they move with different speed. So whenever you pass them through a glass prism, you will not see that some of them move in. You will not see that they actually move in different speed, and you will be able to know that there are actually different colors. And of course, whenever something is moving with different speed, you can say it is moving with varying, that is also different wavelengths. So you will not notice this until you pass it through a glass prism. Different wavelengths in a gas prism, in a glass prism. So they actually move in a different wavelength. So you'll be able now to see the different colors in the white light. This effect is known as dispersion of white light. This very thing I just explained is known as what we call dispersion. Dispersion of white light. So whenever you're asked what is dispersion of white light, dispersion of white light is actually what happens when a narrow beam of light is split up into different colors because of its passage through a glass prism. And this happens because the different colors in this very white light travel with different speed and of course varying wavelengths. So you can see that the answer from the options is just option C, because here it is written that different colors of white light travel with different speeds in glass. So that is the answer to this, and it is known as dispersion of white light. Dispersion of white light. Thank you.